Hi, my name is Lisa Embleton, and I work in the Financial Services Office at SUNY New Paltz. I would like to welcome you to the Grad School Open House. First, we're going to start with, is there financial aid available for grad school? And the answer is yes. The unsubsidized loan, which the maximum annual amount is $20,500, the aggregate loan limit is $138,500. And there's the Graduate Plus loan. What is the interest rate on federal loans? The interest rate changes every July 1st. The current rates are, for the unsubsidized loan, 4.3%, and for the Grad Plus loan is 5.3%. How many credits do you need to take to qualify for the loans? Well, you need to be registered for at least 6 credits. So as long as you take 6 credits or more, you could be eligible. How do you apply for federal loans? Well, first you need to complete a FAFSA. Once the school has your FAFSA, you will receive an electronic award notification through your New Paltz account. You would need to accept the award, and then you would go to the following link and complete the entrance counseling and master promissory note. If you're applying for a Grad Plus loan, you will need to complete the Graduate Plus application and the master promissory note. Can you defer your current loans while in grad school? And you can. You can defer your current loans as long as you are enrolled in at least 6 credits. What if the federal loan is not enough to cover your cost? Well, you can borrow a Grad Plus loan on top of the unsubsidized loan. So for instance, if your budget is $30,500 and you accept the $20,500 unsub loan, that still leaves you $10,000 to your budget amount for your financial aid that you can accept for the Grad Plus loan. That's just an example. How much is tuition for grad school? Again, I have provided a graduate link that will give you the tuition and fees for the different grad programs. Where can you get more information? Well, I've included 2 links, one for the graduate programs and one for financial aid. You can contact the financial aid office or the graduate program office should you need any further information. Thank you and have a lovely evening. Bye.